Gikapoy mas Blue, gusto siya mapahuway. Ikaw gid Tubi, bawo lang nimo. Ako ni hipos ko kani akong mga unlan ro. Dawa nagisakay-sakayan na. Wala nis Blue, di na ingon anis Tubi kakiat. Lah, mana maguba ni akong classroom sa maguba dyan akong classroom tabang ng mga langit. Wa na kita hitsura ani ang atong mga butang mura na gid ani gitornado. Sao na lang tabang mga langit. Kay mao ang mga iro they don't care wa. Hapnig kay ni akong iro basta akong balay basta way iro. Nindot kay ni tan-aw sa una karon mura na ning gitornado sao na ni. Sao na tabang mga langit unsaon na ni. Nagianad man ni sakasakas mga couch mainta ni butangan ni silag house nga ilahar yung house ba no makadaog kog powerball magpalit kog house para sa iro. I'm gonna buy house for my dogs, okay? Yeah, Ali said no, I wanna stay here, and that's what Ali said. Look at Ali guys, she's very cute guys. So muna yung life ni Ali magsigira naghapa sa og murag bao. Mao na Munas Ali. Muna life ni Ali. Yes, it's true. Yeah, ayaw deny. Kay sige ra kag hapa. Sama ni. Sama ni pagpalimpyo nato nga sige ra man panggubot-gubot oh. Nay. Bisa gibakyo man atong balay ang hitsura mo nagihapon diha. Oh, na siya. Lagi tinuod be na oh to na pod unisaka na pod kanang akong mga couch wala pa nay hanig wa na dugay na nang nadugta di na lang ta magbutag couch oy hinglo kay tong balay walay couch no. I think maybe next time I don't have to put couch anything ha. Yeah, saog lang puros ba plain di ba Ali? I'm sorry I speak Bisaya. If you guys English comment below. Please comment so I can speak English. I'm Bisaya from Philippines, Cebu. I'm from Cebu, Philippines, guys. So my dialect is Bisayan, and I speak Tagalog and English. Okay, that's all I can speak. Two different languages, Tagalog and English. Because Bisayan is not language, is dialect. Okay, yeah, I know. Please comment below so I can answer. If you don't, that's fine. Thank you for watching. And today is my live is about all the dog to share how they are. Right? So thanks for enjoying and watching them. So cute. They're so cute, right? Yeah. Of course, that's what Ali said. Of course, Mom, I'm cute. We'll see if we can reach 1 hour. You think we can reach 1 hour, Ali? Can we reach 1 hour here? We'll see. Yeah. Yes. I need to put some medicine in your eyes when I'm done here, okay? Yeah. Yep. Correct. Yeah. Exactly. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. It's okay, Tubi. Can you guys sleep? Can you guys take a nap? A nap, no? I know because I think Tubi wants to go outside. Blue, you go outside with Tubi. Play. Go. Go, Blue. Go outside with Tubi. Go run around in circle. Samukan is Tubi.